Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 3 of 10, Oval Fillister. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Oval Fillister. Save it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select the YZ plane. Say OK. Now draw the profile for our revolve feature. Start from origin. Enter the length 2 mm, length 2 mm, angle 0, and then vertical length 1 mm, angle 90, decrease the dimension text height, and horizontal length 1 mm, angle 0, vertical length 7 mm, angle 90, horizontal length 3 mm, angle 0, vertical length 3.6 mm, angle 90, length 6 mm, angle 180, and finish the sketch. By default, the sketch is selected. Select revolve. To specify the vector, select the line 8 of the sketch. Say OK. Now hide the sketch. Now create a sketch in the XZ plane. Select include the top edge. Include the top point. And draw a rectangle using 2-point method. Select make coincident. Of the center point of the rectangle to the selected point. Make symmetric around the vertical axis. Edit the dimension to 1.9 mm. This dimension to 1.4 mm. Finish the sketch. Now create edge blend. Enter the radius 2.5 mm. Select the top edge. Say OK. Now create a extrude. Select the sketch 3 and select symmetric value. to a distance of 6 mm. Select subtract from the boolean operation. See, okay. Now hide the sketches. Right click, orient way to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4, part 3 of 10, Oval Fillister.